live in a 300 square foot house, but they want to upgrade to a mansion. It's 800 square feet.
Right now, we are tiny house owners.
And we love it.
Yeah, it's got its pluses, but it also has its minuses. I love being outdoors. I love wildlife. Dara, she loves gardening. She loves taking care of animals.
Dogs and cats and turkeys. Living in 350 square feet, we're just crowded next to each other, which we enjoy most of the time, but you know, you need your space.
Dara and I wanting to start a family eventually. This is not a house that's ideal for that.
This is a unique situation to begin with. Dara and Dylan were given a house, and they came to us with the idea of fixing it up.
So with the renovation of this new house, we can't spend more than $150,000.
All right, you two lovebirds. Look at this house.
This is very special.
Now this is living.
Your parents gave this to you.
Yes.
Probably because they didn't want to deal with it.
But you grew up
Right
playing
there.
here.
Yeah, right down over the road. We used to come play on the property and back in the woods.
I just want to be 100% real with y'all. We had our architects and construction team really dig in and say, look, if you got $150,000, there has to be a way to make this house what they want it to be. And they said, no.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, man.
There's nothing salvageable in this house. What if we just tore it down?
Like, completely get rid of it.
Completely get rid of it and built a new house.
The plan would be to bulldoze this, pour a new slab, and then build a new house.
A custom
House.
little house.
Custom built.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wow.
it would actually be cheaper to do that than to try to
fix
fix this house. And we have never done that before, by the way. This is like,
This is new ground.
this is a big deal for us.
Probably not save anything,
Nope.
which is saying a
Yeah.
lot for me.
Can we go walk through it so we can explain why?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's
I've
go
never
look at
been
it.
through the front door.
Yeah,
This
we
is-
always just came in the carport, but let's go to the front door.
The juice isn't worth the squeeze on this house. Ooh, boy. It feels like you're in a fun house. The floor is all sloping to the middle. So this is the living room.
To have a room just for living.
Uh-huh.
We love having people over, but this house kind of makes it difficult for us to do that.
It would be great to have a bedroom that we could walk around in, and it's a little bit tight in there.
How many bedrooms do you guys need?
We definitely need one.
We would love to have an extra room for Dylan to actually have an office because
Okay.
he works from home. And he has this itty bitty little standing desk that we crammed next to the TV because he made most of the house a kitchen for me since I love to cook and bake.
Are we good with one bathroom?
It's all you
Yes.
need, you know?
There's the bathroom. That's what a big
I
bathroom
mean, a
looks
bathroom like that size or a little bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be so large.
You can really feel the rotten joists here.
It makes me a little bit nervous.
Uh-huh. The kitchen is one of those taste-making rooms where you see the style of the people that live there so much in the kitchen.
We love an old, like, cottage, apothecary, like, English garden type of house.
So we could use hardware to really play up the eccentricities.
We almost bought these bat drawer pools.
Okay.
They're just like bats.
Unique, eccentric
quirky.
even.
Yes.
The quirk is strong with these two.
I love surprises. So this is like the most epic surprise ever.
This will be a new house, but we'll do everything we can to give it,
Age.
yeah,
Patina.
patina, to make it feel like an old house.
We love it.
Yeah, and we trust you guys.
We have never torn a house down. We have never built a house before. There is some pressure that comes with that, so we're starting from scratch. We are gonna blaze the trail for this house.
I mean, I am Demolition Man. There's nothing salvageable.
Nothing valuable, precious, sentimental, or usable in this house. Out of 100+ houses that we've done, I think our record's pretty good.
This is seriously the most fun I've had in a long time.
It's like playing real life toy trucks.
Yes. My brothers are gonna be so jealous. I did everything I could and then I handed it off. You know, I don't want to take all the fun. Other than my daughter's birthdays and, you know, our wedding, best day ever.
Their building is prettier than most houses.
Well, I'd expect nothing less.
We don't know how to architecturally design a house, but Bill and Luke are experts. This is our first time, y'all, to finally build a new house.
Not the
This is
first time
exciting.
we've talked about it. So we've worked together with Bill and Luke for 8 years.
On like 100 houses. We don't build houses anymore that have the charm and character and detail of old houses because it's expensive.
I think it's great that it doesn't have to be too big because
Right.
$150,000
Doesn't go
building
very
from
far
scratch does not go
anymore.
very far.
I want this house to look historic.
You're in luck because we have a lot of tricks up our sleeve,
Yep.
and we can make that happen.
I need 2 bedrooms. We gotta have 1 bath. Would love it if we could have a laundry room somewhere in there.
Considering all those things, we did prepare a little layout. Check out the floor
Oh,
plan
yeah.
that we proposed: 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, a tight little laundry closet, but
closet.
it's going to be great. And then again, in order to save square footage, we do have a open, kitchen, dining, living setup.
So that way it lets the space feel bigger.
I love that, but what does it look like?
And honestly,
that. We
yeah,
can do that.
yes, I believe so.
Bill and Luke get me. They speak my language. This is a charming house. It's so beautiful.
So again, we added this front gable.
We added an 8-foot door, so that way it looks really grand and tall, even though it's really not. It's a very tiny, efficient house.
Literally, the gable changed the world.
Yeah.
Adding shutters on the windows, which I think is
Key.
going to be key for this house. So over here on the side porch, we have a post and beam, but then we added this really pretty little corbel bracket.
White house with green trim is so classic. I've always loved a fabric awning with the scallop.
How about that?
Oh, I really love that. We are pretty new to the new construction world, so we are amazed every time we see a new build and how fast it happens. Last week we tore a house down. Today we're framing up a house. Wow. I mean, really, we just tore the thing down and then the slab got poured.
Shoot, they're about ready to put this wall up. It normally takes us this long to get the house demoed.
At this point, we would be at the beginning stages of finding something really, really wrong with the very old house that we're going to fix.
How are we going to fix this wall that is out of square or that's eat up with termites?
Oh, we fixed it all on demo day for this house.
It's all out of here.
Gonna have a roof soon.
Yeah, I feel like an Amish man.
We're raised and born in a day, huh?
Yeah.
We've patched
We patched
siding
in
here and
siding.
there, but we have never put new siding on a whole house. But I love that it's already pre-finished, so we don't have to wait on painters, and I am the painter.
You're just going through
I'm hitting
touching
nail
up.
holes.
It's a manufactured material, so it's more affordable. And it looks old because it's wood. Time is money. We don't have to pay painters to be here. Erin is literally going around and touching up as we're
I'm the
installing.
painter. I wanted a very classic color palette. We're not doing anything crazy color-wise, so I could choose cream siding. We're gonna put a green roof on the house. We're gonna have green windows that are green when they arrive. Dara and Dylan love earth tones. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it just became a house. 5 seconds ago, there was no window, it was a cube. Now it's a house. I can't believe how fast this house came up. It is,
I mean, there's still a lot of building left to do.
yeah, but still, it's like night and day difference between how fast it is to build a new house versus fix an old one. Are those the shutters? I didn't even see them when I walked in. See, I was researching 1930s shutter designs on little cottages like this, and they all had these fun cutouts. And I liked this keyhole pattern that I saw. And they're a little cutesy, but they're a little whimsical, and that makes
Little
sense with this
keyholes.
house. Yeah. Dara and Dylan's house is hitting that spot where the smell of brand new house is there. There is the sheetrock and the sheetrock mud. It has a particular smell that is new. But now we start adding a little more beauty.
Mr.
Come on in
Stubbs.
the house, y'all.
How about this gigantic house?
Oh, man, it's a big one.
Dara loves to cook and they love to grow their own vegetables. This is gonna be a heavily used kitchen. And they are gonna need lots of storage, so we're gonna have closed cabinetry.
Right, okay.
And there's one very special request that I have.
All right.
Could we have a special cabinet or drawer that's just for tea?
This is when it starts becoming a little more of a burrow.
A woodland burrow.
Woodland burrow.
They want their whole house to be a little nook.
Just a little.
In the interest of making a beautiful little burrow, we've got to add some wood.
What's up, girl?
I want to see this pretty wood going in. We're adding some natural wood and warmth and texture to these rooms. So this will be the top piece.
Yep.
Have y'all wrapped anything else yet, or is this the first one?
First one.
Ooh. Jeremy is on Stubbs' team, and he is going to help us wrap this cased opening in cypress so that it looks like a solid post and beam entry.
Structurally, we don't need a beam there. It is all about aesthetics.
It's a good day. We had enough leftover scraps to wrap the ceiling beam. I'm loving how the green is working against all of our cypress everywhere.
So you're gonna have these natural wood tones that we're planning to just clear coat. We're not going to stain them or anything.
Big group backsplashes are near and dear to my heart. We did it in our own house at the farm. And I love the way you can make it feel like the walls just have a texture. It's less about looking like a backsplash and more like this room has paneling. How is backsplash coming?
Good.
Ooh.
We be grooving.
Yay! I think stop it at the bottom of the floating shelves.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be really pretty once our countertops are coming in. They're gonna be more colorful. So I think it would get a little busy if we have natural wood on the backsplash too. So I wanna get the guys to paint that the color of the cabinets. Well, they were very explicit about we never go inside. We live outdoors. I wanted it to feel like we're bringing the outside in. The countertops are not white. I felt like white would be the exactly wrong color. There's no white anywhere in the house. The white's outside, that's crisp, but the inside I want to feel like you are inside of a caramel latte. Wow. We have never torn a house down and built a whole brand new one. Right. I hope you are happy with it.
Welcome to the Stockstill house.
Oh my God!
What?
Oh my gosh! Look at it!
Wow.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at it! Oh my gosh!
Oh
so
my
cute.
goodness.
I'm about to pass out.
Don't pass out.
Oh my God! Look at them! Look
What?
at them! What are those called?
Shutters.
Shutters? The shutters!
They actually work.
They're real
Yeah.
shutters. They close. Oh my goodness. I want to tell you everything. It's so pretty. We did.
It's just amazing.
It's better than what was here.
Look it up close. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Beautiful. The
Oh my goodness.
windows. The natural light in here is insane.
This is one of my favorite
Oh.
details.
But it's natural wood. We left it
All the
unstained on the
windows,
inside.
the beams, we left all natural
Oh,
wood.
the color of the walls, Erin, is so nice. It's like a creamy, taupey, yummy goodness.
And then your kitchen. You haven't even seen. Look. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful! It's so beautiful! You have this huge cased opening with post and beam.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting that feeling again.
Don't black out. Don't black
Look
out.
at this. This wood is gorgeous.
It's so
More of the
nice.
cypress that we see on the shutters. And then this little bracket is a slightly different color because I wanted it to coordinate with your knobs. Go check out the knobs on the cabinet.
Oh my gosh, look at them. I love having a unique piece that's just ours. Like no one else has those knobs.
Wow.
Oh, this green is so awesome.
And I didn't want your countertops to be a plain, solid white or black.
Yeah.
Look at all the beautiful accents. I just
Yeah.
want to touch this. Oh, shush. Look at that, it's a tea. Oh
We made a tea
gosh.
station.
Oh
So know how much you love your
gosh.
tea. We wanted to make sure you had an organization system.
That is incredible.
Even though the square footage is less than 800, it feels
This
like a
place
much bigger
is
house.
gigantic.
It feels huge.
Let's go see the other wing.
Yes, let's go see it.
Come say.
This is where you'll sleep.
Oh my goodness.
It's a real bedroom.
Yeah.
Is this better
is
than having to
just-
climb a ladder to get
Are
up in
you
a
kidding?
loft to
We
go to
have been
sleep?
dreaming of this moment. We have a bed on the floor.
It's going to be
just-
a totally different way of living.
It's just perfect.
Oh, I love
Dylan,
it.
this is our bedroom.
It's a real bedroom.
Come see the bathroom.
Oh, stop it.
Oh
Stop
my
it.
goodness.
The same countertop as our kitchen. Genius.
We
Look
have a
at
little
the
whimsy. Your mom made some custom knobs.
She made this?
Yes. She cast real mushrooms in there.
Of
Dad.
course she did.
Even your hallway has little details.
You didn't get your portrait at the beginning, but you get it
Oh
now.
my goodness.
Oh my gosh. A real washer and dryer. Dylan, it's full capacity.
Let's go see something even cooler.
Oh, Dylan.
Oh my goodness.
Dylan, you have a
desk. A
It's an
desk.
office.
Yes. This is so nice.
You have a whole room just to work now.
I love that.
Look at that.
Oh my.
A custom
Oh my goodness.
curio cabinet.
It's like a little museum.
Whoa, wait.
It is a little museum.
That is amazing.
Our skull and our preserved things.
Your dad and I built it.
No
But
way.
We have dressed this room to be an office for you. But if you ever need to transform it into a bedroom, you can. It's got a huge closet.
Yeah.
So you have a huge house.
Yeah.
And a porch.
Yeah,
we-
you haven't even seen.
Oh my gosh. It feels like this home has been here for forever.
And it feels like our home. Down to every detail is just so thought out, and it's so us.
This couldn't be anyone's house except ours. It's just perfect.
Most people want more. More space, more square footage. But for you, you're more interested in the details.
Yeah, because that's exactly what home is.